On July 9, 2024, the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, is set to make a pivotal announcement regarding President Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa, who recently secured his position in the August 23 elections, has been a figure of considerable controversy. With allegations of elections not meeting the constitutional and international standards, the atmosphere has been tense. Observers noted a climate of intimidation and violence, which casts a shadow over the legitimacy of the electoral process. Now, why should this matter to us? Well, Zimbabwe is on the brink of assuming the chairmanship of the SADC, a regional bloc crucial for the socio-economic stability of Southern Africa. The SADC summit, scheduled for August, includes not just routine meetings, but also significant events like the opening of the SADC Liberation Square and a tour of the innovative Geopomona waste management operations. The spotlight on July 9th, however, isn't just about a routine announcement. It's about whether the SADC will address these concerns head-on or if political diplomacy will prevail, brushing urgent issues under the rug. This announcement could either reinforce President Mnangagwa's position or catalyze a call for greater scrutiny and democratic processes within the region. As political enthusiasts, understanding these dynamics helps us grasp the broader implications for regional politics and the future of democracy in Southern Africa. So, mark your calendars for July 9th, and let's stay tuned to see how this political saga unfolds. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates straight from the heart of political developments. See you in the next video.